Aries, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is a new moon in Gemini reading, guys. So, yeah, this new moon in Gemini is very important because this can bring out the clarity, the truth, and also about the twin flames, about the partnerships. So, yeah, guys, let's start your reading. Thank you so much for your thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel, your liking, subscribing, sharing, and yeah, I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, and so much love from me to you guys. So many good vibes from me to you. And if you guys are wondering that which deck I'm using, so this is the good tarot deck. Okay, this is the good tarot deck I'm using right now. So yeah, let's start your reading. This is for the Gemini's new moon, for the Aries people. Yeah, new moon in Gemini for the Aries. Let's cut the deck for you guys. New moon in Gemini for Aries. Let's see. Wow, you are the magician. Wow, Aries. And this is also Gemini Virgo. So Gemini energy is very present here, definitely. Okay, Nine of Cups, Moon, Transformation, Four of Wands. Wow. Seven of Wands, Nine of Wands. So many wands are here. Sun, Eight of Swords, Ten of Wands. Okay, so definitely completion of the cycle, and yeah. Okay. What is this? So Aries, I'm feeling that definitely some of you guys are manifesting something which is very important to you, which is you ever wished for. You have ever wished for this thing to happen, and now it is happening. It's happening in front of your eyes, and you can see this: the sun, the moon, and the Four of Wands. Wow. So I am feeling this is a very twin flame connection. This is very deep connection you're having with this person, whoever is this person. Divine masculine, divine feminine, and soul and mind, and then the body passion. Wow, it's very strong connection you are having with this person, very divine. And both of you are going through a transformation, Aries, you and your person, and you will know something about, like, which is hidden, that will come to the surface, and that will change all outlook of the situation. Yeah, and also outcome of the situation. Wow. Okay, with the Nine of Cups, Moon, and the transformation, I'm feeling that Aries, there is something you want to manifest, and that is your wish fulfillment, that is your desire, whatever that is your. But yeah, you're gonna have your wish fulfillment, and there is someone who is Cancer or Pisces or Scorpio. Leo is also here, and they are hiding their feelings from you. I'm feeling like this, and that's why this situation is ended between you two. But the connection was very strong, very twin flame connection, very like this Four of Wands, 11, very strong connection, definitely. But because of their secrecy, you ended the things with them. Four of Wands, Seven of Wands, and the Nine of Wands. So these are wands which are, that ascension, like they are going through a process of ascending. So I'm feeling that you are also going through a process of ascension process, because of this twin flame connection. Yeah, after learning that lesson of the transformation, you have transformed a lot. Yeah, definitely. And with this twin flame, this is the very important twin flame of your life. Yeah, definitely soulmate of your life. and you have learned a lesson from them. And I'm feeling that right now, if there is any kind of love situation coming your way or knocking at your door, like knocking at your door, you are not welcoming them, you are resisting them, and you have your guard up a lot. Yeah, you are guarding your heart, you have your guard up, and you are not welcoming anyone. Sun, Eight of Swords, and the Ten of Wands. Yeah, definitely things will change for you, things will be great for you. You will receive happiness in your life, and this stuckness will end very soon by ending those burdens. If you are, I'm feeling that some of you are still carrying those past burdens, so just end those burdens so that you can be free. Yeah, you can be free. So what is this Magician here? For the Aries, what is this Magician here? So this new moon in Gemini energy, definitely beautiful. Page of Swords, Patience, Fool. Okay, so someone is watching you, manifesting this new beginning for yourself. Yeah, someone is watching you, someone is I'm feeling this is a Sagittarius. Some of you are dealing with Sagittarius, Aries, and this is you and universe. Like you have faith in the universe and then take a risk, and now you know that everything will be happen on the divine timing situation at the right time. And some of you are learning something about, and someone is watching you by doing all these activities. Yeah, they're watching you, that you are, wow, manifesting something. So Aries is manifesting a very big thing. So let's see what are they doing. So this kind of energy vibe I'm getting, because they are watching you. What is this Moon here for the Aries, please? Two of Wands, Five of Swords, Two of Swords. Yeah, so many lies and deception and manipulation. Yeah, that's why you have ended those things with them, and those were hidden before in that person, and when you find out, you have ended things with them. What is this Four of Wands for the Aries, please? Four of Wands, Nine of Swords. Okay, Tower, Three of Cups. Okay, so Aries, I'm feeling that the person you are dealing with, they have also gone through a transformation, and I'm feeling that they know right now that you are their twin flame, that you were very loyal to them, you were very kind to them, you love them a lot, and right now they are very sad, they are very worried about what they had done with you. Yeah, they are worried about what they have said to you, what they have done to you, and this is the realization, this Tower moment, a signal from the universe. This is they are facing right now, and they want to come back again, but you are not in the receiving mode, you are resisting them, you are stopping them. Yeah, because with this Seven of Wands, you are continuously resisting them. Why is the Sun here for the Aries, please? Temptation, Star, King of Cups. Okay, so three major arcanas: Sun, Temptation, and the Star. So some of you are dealing with a Capricorn, Aquarius, Leo, or a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. I'm feeling that there is a new beginning for you with a new person, because Sun is also the new day, the new hope, and the new person will be very possessive about you. With this Temptation card, they can feel that strong bond with the Devil card present here. So definitely they can feel that strong bond, and they have so much love for you, and they are also a very healed person, very mature person. So yeah, you will feel happy with them, like they are like husband material. What is this 10 of wands? Okay, 10 of wands, king of pentacles, hermit, 10 of swords. Yeah, you are ending that chapter. You want stability, Aries, and you want enlightenment. You just don't want to deal with that person anymore. You, if there is no new person, yeah, then yeah, definitely you will consider them, but right now no. Past person is like, stop there. Okay, so this is a hair for you, Aries. This is for the new moon in Gemini. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.